I'm going to show you a quick, easy method for hiding your friends on Facebook. I've done this on a PC, but you can also use it on a laptop or mobile. Click on your profile, then go to Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings. Left hand side, you go down, scroll down to Audience and Visibility. Here you can see how people can find and contact you. Who can see your friends list. So if you tap on there, make it public, friends, friends accept, only me, custom close friends, list of all friends, list your custom list of friends. Here I've got selected only me. If you learnt something today, carry on and watch another video and learn a bit more. Or subscribe to watch the latest videos coming out.